Dragonflies are fascinating insects that have captivated human interest for centuries with their dazzling colors, agile flight, and predatory prowess. These insects belong to the order Odonata, which also includes damselflies, and are characterized by their elongated bodies, large multifaceted eyes, and two pairs of strong, transparent wings. If you enjoy this video about dragonflies, please like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the video, please use the comment section to ask us any questions about dragonflies. Dragonflies are often found near bodies of water such as ponds, lakes, rivers, and wetlands, where they play crucial roles in the ecosystem. Dragonflies are ancient creatures, with fossil records indicating that they have existed for over 300 million years, predating even the dinosaurs. The largest known dragonfly-like insect, Meganeura, had a wingspan of about 70 centimeters, 27.5 inches, and lived during the Carboniferous period. Modern dragonflies are smaller but still exhibit a wide range of sizes, from the tiny libellulid dragonflies with wingspans of about 2 centimeters, 0.8 inches, to the large anax species, whose wingspans can reach up to 13 centimeters, 5 inches. One of the most striking features of dragonflies is their eyes. Dragonfly eyes are among the most complex in the insect world, consisting of up to 30,000 individual lenses, or ommatidia. These compound eyes provide them with nearly 360-degree vision, allowing them to detect movement and see a wide spectrum of colors, including ultraviolet light. This exceptional vision is crucial for hunting, as dragonflies are adept predators that rely on their keen eyesight to catch prey in midair. Dragonflies are voracious hunters and feed on a variety of smaller insects, including mosquitoes, flies, and moths. They use their legs, which are covered in spines, to form a basket-like structure to scoop up prey during flight. Once captured, the prey is quickly devoured using their strong mandibles. Dragonflies are incredibly efficient hunters, with some species boasting a success rate of over 95% in capturing their prey. This efficiency makes them valuable allies in controlling mosquito populations and other pest insects. The life cycle of a dragonfly is divided into 3 stages: egg, nymph, larva, and adult. Female dragonflies lay their eggs in or near water, often on aquatic plants or directly into the water. The eggs hatch into nymphs, which are aquatic and can live underwater for several months to several years, depending on the species. Dragonfly nymphs are also formidable predators, equipped with extendable mouthparts called labium that they use to catch prey such as small fish, tadpoles, and other aquatic invertebrates. During their time as nymphs, dragonflies undergo a series of molts as they grow. The final molt, called ecdysis, occurs when the nymph climbs out of the water onto a plant or other surface. The exoskeleton splits, and the adult dragonfly emerges, expanding and hardening its wings in preparation for flight. This transformation from nymph to adult, known as metamorphosis, is a remarkable process and marks the beginning of the dragonfly's aerial life. Dragonflies are skilled flyers, capable of hovering, flying backward, and making sharp turns. Their wings operate independently, allowing for incredible maneuverability and speed. Some species can fly at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. This agility in flight helps them evade predators such as birds and frogs and makes them formidable hunters. The vibrant colors of dragonflies are another notable feature. These colors are produced by a combination of pigments and structural coloration, where microscopic structures on their exoskeletons reflect and refract light. Dragonflies can display a wide range of colors, including blues, greens, reds, and yellows, which often become more vivid as they mature. These colors can serve various functions, such as attracting mates, camouflaging from predators, or signaling territory. Dragonflies are often associated with water, and their presence is a good indicator of a healthy aquatic ecosystem. They play a critical role in maintaining the balance of their habitats by controlling insect populations and providing food for other wildlife. Additionally, dragonfly nymphs contribute to the nutrient cycling in aquatic ecosystems by preying on other organisms and being prey themselves for larger animals. The behavior of dragonflies can be quite complex. Males are typically territorial and will defend their breeding sites from rivals. They use various displays, such as aerial chases and aggressive postures, to establish dominance and attract females. Courtship and mating in dragonflies involve a unique process called the will position, where the male clasps the female's head with claspers at the end of his abdomen, and the female curls her abdomen to connect with the male's secondary genitalia located near the thorax. This process can last from a few seconds to several hours, depending on the species. After mating, females often lay their eggs in the territory of the mating male, ensuring that their offspring will develop in a suitable environment. Some species exhibit guarding behavior, where the male stays close to the female while she lays her eggs to prevent other males from mating with her. Dragonflies have cultural significance in various societies around the world. In some Native American cultures, dragonflies are seen as symbols of change, transformation, and adaptability. In Japan, they are admired for their beauty and are considered symbols of courage and strength. European folklore sometimes associates dragonflies with the supernatural, referring to them as devil's darning needles due to their needle-like bodies and swift flight. Dragonflies have also inspired scientific research and technological advancements. Their flight mechanics and aerodynamics are studied to improve the design of micro-air vehicles, MAVs, and drones. The efficiency and precision of dragonfly predation have provided insights into the development of advanced robotic vision and tracking systems. Conservation efforts for dragonflies are crucial as they face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Wetland drainage, agricultural runoff, and urban development can degrade or eliminate the aquatic habitats that dragonflies depend on. Climate change can alter the distribution of dragonfly species, affecting their life cycles and interactions with other species. Protecting and restoring wetlands, reducing pollution, and conserving natural landscapes are essential steps in ensuring the survival of these remarkable insects. Dragonflies are also valuable indicators of environmental health. Monitoring dragonfly populations can provide insights into the quality of aquatic ecosystems and the impacts of environmental changes. Citizen science programs, where volunteers contribute to data collection and observation, have become important tools in tracking dragonfly populations and their distribution. In addition to their ecological roles and scientific importance, dragonflies offer a source of inspiration and wonder. Their graceful flight, vibrant colors, and ancient lineage remind us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Observing dragonflies in their natural habitats can be a captivating experience, whether in a backyard pond or a remote wetland. In conclusion, dragonflies are extraordinary insects with a rich natural history and significant ecological roles. Their unique life cycle, remarkable flight abilities, and predatory efficiency make them fascinating subjects of study and observation. As indicators of environmental health and symbols of transformation and resilience, dragonflies hold a special place in both nature and human culture. Ensuring their conservation and understanding their behaviors and habitats are essential for appreciating and preserving the biodiversity of our planet. If you enjoyed this video about dragonflies, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps us to continue making videos like this for everyone.